All right, today we have Jimmy. We're going to be doing the Y strap to help decompress his spine. Recently, Jimmy started doing cross-country distance running, and this is one of his favorite adjustments as he comes in each week to get his maintenance care. We also have Jen helping us here to stabilize his feet. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off just by giving him a few short pulls, gentle pulls, just to get his spine ready for the Y strap adjustment here. So I'm just leaning my weight back, giving him a good stretch. Jen stabilizing is just above his ankles. Just giving him a few pulls here. Just a couple more. And then we do the adjustment.
Oh my gosh.
So Jimmy, why don't you share with the viewers how that felt, what you experienced there?
It's like no other. After sitting in front of a computer for 8 hours a day, I mean, it just totally decompresses the entire spine. It's like...
How far down did you feel that one?
All the way down to my lower mid-back, right down there.
Lower to mid-back. So
yeah, just kept popping.
And if people don't know your full background and history, you had a pretty significant scoliosis that reduced.
Yeah.
Big pelvic, leg length inequality that evened out significantly on your last re-x-ray, which is only about maybe a month or so ago, a month and a half ago.
Yeah,
about that. So thanks for participating.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you would like the Y-strap adjustment, contact us today for an evaluation to see if that's something that could make a difference in your life.